Alright guys, I'm back here on my Bobcat. I got my piece that I sent out, the controller. It looks brand new. I sent it to Isoscell, the same company that I sent my Bobcat computer to that they repaired. So far it looks great. They've done a wonderful job. I'm going to hook it up. Let's see if it works. Alright, so here's the new control system that was repaired. Looks brand new. They put a new touchpad on there. And let's get it hooked up.
Just one wire, hook it back in. That's it.
Okay, so I'll just leave one screw here, and let's see what we got. Ah, there it is. All right, let's try the lights now. Yeah, look at that, the lights work. All right. All right, so I gotta tell you guys, I can't be more impressed with this company. I'll put a link to their company in the description below. Again, it's Isoscell.com. I found them actually on eBay for the repair services. Very reasonably priced. I highly suggest if you have a Bobcat that needs repair, whether they repair the control panels, the left, the right, the digital ones, the computers. I believe they also repair other different components on the Bobcat machine itself. So if you're having any issues that you don't think that you can take care of, or the Bobcat dealer is charging arm and leg for, then send your stuff out to this company. I highly recommend them. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm really excited this is finally fixed. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.